Jake here from Arizona Snowball, Pajarito, Super Poo, and Purgatory. We're at the Expo Avalanche Sale, having fun thinking snow.
250 sunrise passes.
Talking about that.
Here we are again. Tell your ski resort, the Ski Pro Avalanche Sale here in Phoenix, Arizona.